right, so we're back here again. Let's get into it. We have new music for the channel. We always have new music for the channel for you guys. So we have Seven Heads. So I had these boys hit me up a couple weeks ago. They have some new releases, yada, 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 all that good fucking shit. This is their song, Infinite Grinding Teeth. Like I said, they have this song, and they have another song, and like I said, a couple other songs. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited. Like I said, I've been wanting to get these boys on the channel for quite some time now, and we're here, and we're ready to react. So let's go. This is Seven Heads with their song, Infinite Grinding Teeth. Are we ready? All right, let's get into it. Are you ready? I am. 3, 2, 1, like. Damn, let's get right on into it, shall we? Oh, come on. Circle pit, let's go. That growling in the background with the screams is nice. Oh, yeah, right there. This is good. This is really fucking good, dude. It's got an old school sound to it, I feel like. I like the melodic shit behind it. Oh, that's good. Okay, so y'all have other tunes. Got Marrow Earth, and you got Dagger Tongue. But that was their newest one. Am I retarded? Is this off of an EP? Or album? Fucking shit, dude. I absolutely love. I'm out of breath, bro. I absolutely love that old school sound. Like, it has like more of like an old school, like kind of like new wave. I mean, dude, You started off with just like, let's get into it, man. Like you, I mean, I guess that's the best way to describe it for me personally, but you started off with that, and then those backup growls, you know what that reminded me of? Like the backing up vocals, like as in the growls and the screams, that reminded me of Adam D from Killswitch. I really got some Killswitch vibes with some riffs, with the screams, and then that breakdown at the end. I absolutely loved it, man. I'm super stoked to get you boys on the channel. Thank you so much for the request. Thank you for the message. I appreciate it a mother trucking ton. Whew, I'm tired. So anyways, hit the boys up. I'll put links down in the description. I'll let y'all know if this is an EP or an album or some shit. But I'll figure it out like I'm fingering my nose right now. See if I can find anything good. Oh, yeah. All right, anyways. Seriously, I hope you guys enjoyed the reaction as much as I did. Hit the boys up. I'll put links down in the description as always. And comment, subscribe down below.